getting some grub, man. Getting some grub before we hit this road. Me and my boy.
Yep.
It was hard for you to get up this morning, bro.
Yeah. When I was playing Fortnite last night, I was supposed to get off because I thought I was going to die, and I actually won the game. So I stayed up for extra 20 minutes.
I hear that.
Pulled it off.
Well, put your trash in the bag. Yep, just getting a little grub before we hit this road. Kingsport, Tennessee. I hope I can catch some subscribers along the way. Like it. A cool morning. Weather getting better though, sun coming out. Got the tailgate in there. You see it? Hell, still got the wheels from Mucho in there. I ain't even put them in the shed yet. Yeah, shed full. Shed full. Ain't even got no room, really. I can't wait till you be driving in a few years. You can drive, I can ride passenger.
You go to sleep and I can blast the music real loud. Once I drive, I control the music.
Oh yeah? Man, your car.
Nope. It's my car.
Trying to scarf this down right quick so we can get the road. Yeah, watching this video probably thinking, what the hell they finna go pick up? I might have to tease you in the thumbnail. That was pretty tasty. Get ready to hit the road. We finna get ready. You ready? Okay. Go ahead and finish up. We ain't in no rush. We'll go through this trash away. We'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. We done made it out here.
Like that truck?
I appreciate it. Y'all probably wondering, what the hell you doing with this thing? It's a little project. A little project I want to work on. Some of you may know. What you think, bro? So 2005?
Yes, sir. You want to get parts for it. Sometimes you got to tell them it's a 2006.
Okay.
Because it was made on the late 2005, so.
Okay. Pop the hood. Let me see what's under there.
It's cold.
Yeah, y'all out here with some shorts on.
Feels good.
3,500. V6. All right. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can drive it up on the trailer, and if not, we'll use the winch. All right. You ready to get it on back to the house?
Yeah.
$5.50. What'd you feel like eating?
Anything. I'm not even hungry.
Bet you're warm down there, man. It's warm your way?
Actually, it's still pretty cold down there.
Oh, really?
It's warmer than here, but they got that cold front. It's a little rough. That's why I got all these clothes on.
Weirdos.
What's today's date?
The 19th.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Cool Cars.
Okay,
then.
As long as you got your first name, your last name, and probably your address if it asks you. I don't know if it asks you.
Address, but I guess I
Oh,
can
that's
put it
so
right
small.
There you go, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 50.
Nah, baby.
You got my number, you know where I leave anything.
Yeah, I got you. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's you got the key? Yeah. Let's get it loaded up. I appreciate it, man. Sorry to hear about your father and your grandfather. That's pretty,
man.
pretty rough right there.
It's part of life.
Yeah. So we're gonna get it strapped down. We're gonna head back to Athens, Georgia. We'll catch up with y'all later. All right, we done pulled over to the Zaxby's on the way back. Y'all might be wondering why the hell we bought this ugly ass thing, cause it's ugly. It's pretty ugly. But I was gonna show y'all why we bought it, but can't get the damn hood open. Battery's dead. Can't get the hood open. Damn hood cable, hood latch thing came all the way up. So I don't have to worry about that later. But I was gonna show y'all why we bought it in action. Bam! Y'all see that? Panoramic. G6 has got a hell of a sunroof in them. Works. Look at that. Shade and everything. Cut the whole roof out. Four panel. That's why we picked it up. Good pickup for only $550. What you think?
Yeah.
That's a good pickup. Should be able to part it out. It's complete. It runs and everything. Doesn't drive, but it runs.
It's gonna be a convertible when we're done with it.
Yeah, somebody already asked me, can I buy the whole car? I was like, you can, but it's gonna be a convertible when you get it. No roof. Had to listen to Lil Wayne, no ceilings when he's driving down the road.
No ceilings, no ceilings, no ceilings. Yeah.
All right, bro. You ready to eat something good?
Yeah.
All right, let's eat, man. We're gonna get out of here. It's probably the end of this video. I don't know, I might show the wife's reaction when I get this ugly thing home, but I don't know. So if we do or if we don't, we'll holler at y'all later on. Peace.
Peace.
How you like your new project?
My new project.
Nah, we didn't get this for a project. This thing ugly as hell. This is what we got it for. So hold this. Step up here. Can you step up here?
Yeah.
Finally got the hood open.
Okay, now. That's some Fast and the Furious type shit there.
That's pretty slick, ain't it?
Yeah.
Y'all see that? Look at that. Come in on the inside. Come in on the inside. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Hey, what you think?
It's nice. Yeah.
We paid $550 for it. All we need is a sunroof out of it.
Once you make it convertible, it's gonna be my new whip around the yard.
What? That's what we got it for. We're gonna cut this whole thing out some kind of way. Robert Davis probably helped me. And the plan is to put it in there. I mean, worst case scenario, I can go in the Impala. It's got a long roof, but it's too long for the short bed, so you can't do that. But it will be pretty sick in here, either or. So that's it.
Yeah, I like
car
it.
is
really ugly.
Hey, we didn't get to do nothing with it. She don't like the new project,
No,
people.
because you said my new project. This thing is ugly.
I'd rather ride a bike
It's
to
something
school
you
than
drifting in a
drive
parking lot or something.
And then you end up hitting a pole.
They got style, I guess. Alright, got it off. What y'all laughing at?
This car looks like Mike Wazowski.
Who the hell is that?
Out of Monsters Inc., the little green monster.
Oh,
Perfect. This car is so ugly.
well, we got it for $5.50, so.
You just need to part it out so you can get your money back, cause this got to go.
It got them bug eyes on it.
Yeah, I feel confident in my skills. I'll be able to part it out. Make some money back. Get the sunroof, hopefully for free. Maybe make a little money. So
I'm hoping you get it for free too.
we'll see.
Plus some.
All right, we out of here, man.
Peace!
I got this car right here. I just had to show this, man. Don't nobody ever have those hooks right there. I done told 200, maybe 300 cars. This the first person who's actually had the hook to go in there and make it easy. I mean, just ridiculous. But we out here, man. Got a late call. A friend of a friend needed a tow. We out here. I had just unhooked the trailer, and every time I unhook the trailer, man, somebody calls for a tow. So we got them taken care of, got them all strapped down. But man, I'm tripping on that. He actually had the little hook that goes in the front. First, that's a first for me. That's a first for me. So we're gonna get out of here, man. Get it dropped off. We'll holler at y'all later.